If you've found yourself facing a WhatsApp account ban, fret not. I've got two solutions to get you back on track. But keep an eye out for the second method. It addresses recent changes you need to know about. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. First up, try requesting a review directly through the WhatsApp app. Look for the option labeled Request Review when you receive the notification about your banned account. Your case will be reviewed promptly. Now, on to the second method, which is crucial due to recent updates. You can contact WhatsApp for assistance, but there's a catch. There are two ways to do this via your browser or through email. However, recent changes have rendered the email option less effective. If you opt for the browser route, search for WhatsApp Contact, enter your banned phone number and email, select your device type, and send a brief request for review. Alternatively, compose an email to support@support.whatsapp.com explaining your situation, but refrain from including your phone number initially. Await their response, then follow their instructions to provide your full phone number in international format. Bear in mind, though, recent changes mean WhatsApp will no longer accept review requests via email. Instead, they'll offer suggestions on resolving the issue, so ensure you're using the app's direct review request feature. Stay informed by subscribing and sharing this video for others in a similar predicament.